What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to start implementing all knowledge and skills that we've learned prior to this fully guided project. So as you guys can see, there are 8 categories. The first one is business and entrepreneurship. The second one is copywriting. The third one is programming. The fourth one is content creations. The fifth one here is resume, CV. The sixth one is market research and learning languages. And the last one is email template. Alright, so in this fully guided projects, we're going to write and design ChatGPT prompts. Not only that, we're also going to build a project for its category. Alright, and if I make one video for all of these, it's going to be a very long video. So I decided to create 2 videos for its sections or its category. Alright, so we're going to have 2 videos for business and entrepreneurship. We're going to have 2 videos for copywriting. So that's how it works, guys. Alright, so let's get started. In this video, we're going to be concentrating on business and entrepreneurship. Alright, so let's go to prompt vibes. As you guys can see, I have prompt vibes open here. I have Flow GPT and also Cookup AI. So those 3 tools are tools that we're going to be utilizing for business category. Right, and guess what? Actually, I already have 100 prompts for business and entrepreneurship on this Google Docs, and I'm going to download this and then upload it on Udemy resource folder, and then you can use this, right? So look at this. I'm just gonna download this as PDF and also give it to you in the Udemy resource folder, right? But for now, we're not going to use this. We're going to use these 3 tools instead. So let's get started. Let's go with Flow GPT. Let's say we want to type in business here because we want to get all prompts related to business. Alright, so here we go. The first thing that you need to do when you're starting a business, you need to find ideas, right? Alright, so why don't we use the prompt to generate us business ideas. So I'm just gonna Control F like this. If you're on Mac, then just do Command F, and I'm gonna type in ideas like this. Right. Alright, so you have this one, generate digital startup ideas. Business creator, business generator can bring your ideas to life. What else? We have this one, digital startup ideas generator. So if you have many different options here, if you don't like one of them, you still can try other options too, right? So yeah, let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna pick this one first, digital startup ideas generator. I'm gonna click on it, and as you guys can see, this is the prompt: generate digital startup ideas based on people's wishes, complete with business plan and idea validations tab. All right, so I'm just gonna click send, or you can also feel free to customize this based on your need, based on your inspirations or ideas. But I'm gonna stick with this default template. So I'm just gonna click send, and we'll see what Flow GPT is going to generate us. As you guys can see here, you don't need to copy and paste the prompt to ChatGPT, since Flow GPT has actually been integrated with ChatGPT, so you can run the prompt here on Flow GPT. All right, now it's still loading, so just be patient, guys, and wait. Still loading. All right, I don't know why it takes so long. Usually it doesn't take this long. All right, there was an error from the server, so I'm just gonna regenerate it again. I don't know the reason why. I apologize, guys. So let's do it again. All right, so I'm gonna click send. All right, cool. Idea name one-liner. The mole app, an app that connects a small town. All right, so I'm just gonna let it finish first. All right, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, cool. So now it has been generated, so we'll see what output that we got here. Pretty cool stuff here, obviously. I'm going to scroll this up really quick. Gonna scroll up all the way to the bottom. Okay, all the way to the top. All right, so the first one here is one-liner. The mall app, an app that connects a small town resident to local stores and services, creating a virtual mall or experience. Pretty cool. The second one here is target user persona. a small town residents who desire a more experience but lack access due to locations. Right. So what this actually does is to provide you with ideas, business ideas that solve people's problem. Right. So every single time you want to create business, obviously you need to check if that business is in high demand in the market, or in other words, people actually need it. Because if people don't need it, or there is no demand in the market, then obviously that business is going to fail, right? So yeah, obviously you can use this prompt to give you some business ideas, and among these business ideas, just find one that you like and you might want to consider to start that business, right? So yeah, this is a pretty good prompt, definitely. Why don't we try another prompt, right? So I'm thinking about trying this one. Where is it? So I'm gonna Control F and then type in ideas. All right, so why don't we try this one, right? This is kind of similar to the previous digital startup business ideas generator. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the prompt. For example, when I say, I wish there is a big, large, small in the small town, you generate a business plan for the digital startup complete with the idea name. All right, so yeah, you might want to try this one. So I'm just gonna click send. All right, so now it is generating the output. Just wait, hopefully it doesn't take too long. All right, so now it's generating. It really seems that the output is kind of similar to the previous one, right? So you have one liner. Okay, so the creator of this prompt is Strong Daiform. That's his name. I'm gonna check if actually the one that created like the prompt that we tried previously was also the same guy. Okay, so it really seems he's different guy. So that's completely fine. Let's go back to our prompt that we tried. Just gonna click send. Alright, so even though the prompt is different, but it really seems that the output that we got here is extremely similar, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, so these are the business ideas that you should consider, right? So yeah, guys, that's how you utilize ChatGPT to generate you business ideas. All right, you might want to try like different platform. You might want to try different tool. You can do it too.